Replace the blue light like this, quickly and easily. Cover the undamaged blue light with a protective cover. Use a 260-degree air gun to blow. Remove it after softening. The dust on the head base. Use optical glue to clean it. Then use a cotton swab. Wipe the filter again. Take a new blue light. Install the blue light positioning mold. Align the blue light with the positioning mold. Align it with the hole, and install it. Apply blue light glue around it. Cure with UV light. Gently rotate it. Remove the positioning mold. Finally, add a proper amount of blue light. Cure it with UV lamp. The replacement of one-time blue light is completed. Remember to like and follow.